Solutions for flexible hose repairs. Dredging operations present a variety of challenges. These flexible hoses transport thousands of cubic feet of rock, sand, and silt daily. A damaged hose like this one could halt dredging operations, costing the company thousands of dollars in lost production. Traditional repairs would either involve expensive replacement or time-consuming hot vulcanizing. The Belzona solution is faster, safer, easier, and requires no specialized tools. This simple process can have you back in operation in a few hours. These 100% solids elastomers have no dimensional change from application through full cure, allowing the applicator great accuracy in desired thickness. The repair is now complete. As you saw, it was done quickly with simple hand tools, and it was done in place. The Belzona repair is tough, durable, and abrasion resistant. How can we help you today?